Yeah, okay.
So. All right, Rich is going to be going first, and who would like to be second first?
You guys want to go first this time?
Sure.
All right, yeah. You're all set.
Bye, guys. Wait, bye.
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 Ciao.
So, okay. Oh, God. Whoa. Oh my God. Oh God. Oh God. Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy shit. Oh God. Oh. Wow, that's really high.
Maybe you were like, holy shit.
The whole way. I'm shaking right now. He told me to go down to the next one and get a video of them.
Yeah. Just follow that path right down there.
Okay, thanks. Going to the path. Going down the path. Going down the path. Going. It was really high. Holy shit. Going. Okay. Shit, that was high. Okay. Here we go. Okay, I'm shaking. Whew. Okay. Okay. Stop shaking. Yeah. She's waving. Hi! Okay.
Yeah, I can say bye, guys.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Ciao. Walk it up. Woo! Oh, there you go.
I so get that on video. You falling on your butt? I didn't fall, didn't touch my butt. No? I swear. Close enough.
You would have had a perfect landing if I didn't grab your landings.
Whoa, that's a good thing to have.
Yeah. More for us. I haven't seen any of you guys.
Maybe this top one.
Yeah, I know. Do I hold it down or
just press it once?
It's recording.
And then click it again.
Oh yeah, no, press it again.
All right, right here.
Get it away.
Awesome. Okay, I'm just gonna pull back a little bit.
You started your taking.
Oh,
whoop.
Okay. I
Now,
definitely got this one.
you have two options. You run or I give you a little swing.
Yeah, I'll just run.
Okay. Now, if you get stuck, okay, if you come short, don't worry. He's gonna go and get you, okay? All right, and you have the camera,
It'd be
so
funny if you get
have
stuck.
fun.
Get a video of him coming to get you.
Okay.
Am I gonna
Ready?
drop this?
No,
I'll pick
it's
it up.
connected.
There you go.
I'll pick it up when I'm flying.
Okay. See you later.
1, 2. It's a duck.
All right, nothing to it. I'm just going to hook you on here and bring you right back in. All right. Okay. There you go. Probably.
Down with your 2 feet.
I got stuck.
Here you go.
Did you videotape?
There you go. She's nuts though. Oh no, she's still keeping.
Oh no!
It wasn't down deep.
You'll
I
probably
think
be
they're
able
going
to
to get it.
Yeah.
Oh my god! They died.
Where'd you lose it?
I don't know if he's going to go get it.
I have to go home shoeless. They're probably like